What's up, people? It's the boy TripleLL in our kitchen today. You don't know if you see me in our kitchen, you don't know straight cookings. Yeah, nothing big today, so something simple. I'm showing you what I go on. Today it's gonna be saltfish and baked bean with vegetable and rice. I have a tomato, sweet pepper, a green one and a yellow one. Cut up and then we had a dice up. Yeah, we had pizza last night, so today are some cookings. You got the rice there. Rice will take time, cook up. We don't know, we have a saltfish here, so you have to boil the saltfish to get rid of the salt, you know. You don't want too much salt, so you boil it, take out some of the salt, and after you gotta pick it up and get minced up and stuff like that. You know, don't know what thing though. Yeah. That's the type of saltfish. And that's the baked bean, which they call the sweet bean. And after, this is gonna be the sides, huh? Some sweet plantain, some sweet ripe plantain. Don't know. Oh, and this is onion. I'm gonna cut up this right now. Yeah, big fat onion. So I do the same thing like I'm gonna do the sweet pepper. I do the same thing with the onion. Cut it up. Yeah, so I just finished cut up my onion, dice it up on them way there. So now turn off this one. Get this string. Get like something like a strainer I can throw it in. I mean, that's all that water gone. Let's back this. So I'm gonna use this big dish, big bowl, anything you guys can call it. So I'm gonna use this big dish to put the saltfish in. Done. It's kind of hot right now. I'm still pick it up coming on me and then tough. Yeah. It's a hard working man and always tough, eh? Yeah. Wow. Alright. I think that's too hot. I think that's too hot. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit before I attack it again. Alright. Rice of water. Yeah. I always cook my rice on some low fire coming on my rice burn. I eat on my rice burn. So I mince up this. I have to do this with 2 hands, so I'm finished mince it up. Check you guys back. So now I'm gonna get my frying pan, pour some oil in. I think that's enough. It's not that much. Pour a little more in. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so this is how we mince up the saltfish. Mince it up. Can mince it up finer than that, but I don't want it no finer than that. So yeah. Let's stay for a while, hot up. So I'm gonna put in these first because I like when they fry down and give it a good mixture of flavor, you know what I mean? So when that fry down and flavor up everything, then me gonna put in saltfish. So yeah, you can do it other ways. I mean, you can put in this first and then put in this, but this is the best way, I think. These first, then this. This is how me test my outfit at. Put something inside. If it's not fry or nothing, that means it's still cold. So like give it a little more time. Yeah, you wanna fry things when the oil hot, you know what I mean? You know, either fry and cold oil. That's not good for you. Well, oil in general not good, but that's how the thing go. That's how the thing go. But yeah. Woo. Alright, so steam up. Get this can cut right now. I don't have any can opener, so you don't know we do it the really hard style. Use a knife and bust it up. You can opener, waste of time that. So what I do, hold the can, puncture it. You don't know you have strong. Yes, spin it around. Watch it. Right, now we move fast on the can opener. Clean cut. See that? If you have them, if you get clean cut. Yeah, just realized that I made a mistake. Instead of I turn on this one, I turn this one on, which is the back one, and that's the front one. And I just realized, like, I was wondering why the pot not getting hot. And I just realized I turned on the wrong one. So yeah, it's a good thing you all to check on things you're doing, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is what I made last night. A bracelet. I mean, like 1 o'clock last night. That's 1 a.m. Yeah, I couldn't sleep and ain't got nothing to do, so I just decided to do this. I always wanna try to do stuff, you know, when I get my spare time, do a little something. That's a bracelet. Last night I was bored, so I always use my time to try to make something or do something. I mean, create something. That's just me. Yeah. I like it. It look fashionable. Like if you're wearing a color matching this, you can wear this. And you can also do different colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple more. I like them. They look neat, color. They look fashionable. So yeah, if you guys need some of these, just hit me up. You know what I mean? Any color, just tell me the color you want. I'll make it and ship it off. Simple, nothing too hard. It seems like my aisle ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in. So this is what I'm talking about, and everything combined together, mix up flavor and all that. Yeah. So I'm gonna give it like 1 more minute to let it work the magic in. I mean, smelling good. So now I'm gonna pour in my saltfish in here. Come on guys, don't waste it. It's not free. Don't waste it. Take it all out. Yeah. And we're gonna mix them up again. Yeah, so now it's time to throw my baked bean in. Check out everything, nothing now waste. So we're just mixing up. So now everything almost done. So we got 3 plant here, so well, more than 3 still, but me I use 3. I don't need that much. I use these 3 planting to fry them up to make them for the sides. 3 ripe planting. You know, when planting ripe, you know that means sweet, and that will give the food extra tasty, nice tasty, good tasty. You don't know the thing go. So yeah, me I cut up them plant here and then link them back. And that's the thing, I like my planting look kind of burnt. So this one look, that's where I like my planting. It tastes really good that way. This one burnt. So full ripe. I'm gonna give these couple seconds, like 20 seconds. So yeah, so this is our place. These like on some napkins to soak some of the oil out of the plantains, and then I'm gonna put like 3 more napkins on top, and then peel it, squeeze it down, like press it down to take up some of the oil. Yeah, so this is how, and that is how, and this is how. Yeah, everything done now. I'm a chef, you know. I joke I'm not a chef, but I can't do my thing, you see it. So yeah. So there you have it, guys. That's how I do my saltfish and BakeBean and stuff like that, cut up with rice and with side ripe plantain. So hope you guys like this video, and you guys can go ahead and try this. Comment below and tell me, or let me know that I did a good job, and give me a thumbs up for this video if you like this video, and tell a friend about this channel. It's your boy TripleLL TV. Thanks for tuning in again. See you guys next time on the next upload. Stay tuned to your boy channel, and don't forget to press that bell to get notified each time when your boy upload a video. Oh, now look at my cereal now, I get none. And I might I'll be one. That's my little daughter's cereal. So yeah, big up on yourself. Bless up. One love. Big up. TripleLL TV. I'm out.